How are you, everyone? My name is Colin Matebula. Today's lesson is to show you how to do a structure in a VB Visual Basic. So let's open Visual Basic. I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Basically, now we are doing Windows Forms. So we say new project. It's under Windows Form application by default. Then here is the project name. We can say structure. Then save. If you want to change the location where it will save, we can change. But for now, let's leave it in the projects Visual Studio 2010. Click OK. Oh, sorry. It says could not be created because another project already exists in this folder. This is structure 1. Then click OK. You can change the name of the form on the right hand side. Just go to it and say right click, rename. Make sure you name it properly. Don't remove .vb. We can say structure. So now this is a form, a Windows form. So now what is the purpose of our structure? What should it do? Let's just do a simple project, a simple program that's gonna hold orders for customer. So now let's put a list box to display our order. List box, there it is. And also a button, compute. Let's rename our button as compute. btn compute. It's very important to give proper variables name. This is a variable name that is gonna hold everything that the button will do. Then our list box should also rename it, give it the variable name LST show. Let's do our structure. Under form, structure, the name of it, its order. Then inside order is where we're gonna put variables that's gonna hold all the values, all the information about order. We can say dim. Dim is to declare a variable. We use it to declare variables. dim order number as integer dim order date as date dim item name as a string dim item price as decimal mark. Then we can create a function here to calculate discount. Okay, public function, it should be public in order to be accessed by any method. Public function the name of the function calc discount as decimal, because it returns a decimal value. As a discount is the price, it might be a decimal or integer, but it's best if we declare it as decimal. So in order to get a discount, maybe a shop says this dim disc price so equals to, maybe they say if okay, let's say as decimal this variable is gonna hold the final result of the segment, which is the one we're gonna use it to return. So now let's say if okay, let's do this function later on. Now let's go to the pattern compute. Under structure, this name an array structure variable So as what? This array structure should contain or should contain everything, should access everything in the structure. So let's declare it as order, the name of the structure. So how many variables are here? There are 4. Int is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then under pattern, let's say array structure 0 dot we're doing for 4 orders here. Okay, here we're doing for 4 orders. Now is for order number 1. It is in index 0. Okay, let's say item name equals to, let's allow a user to input the item name enter item name then we say array struct again index 0 dot enter let's allow the user to enter item price. Just click price tab. You can just say this copy or yes copy paste and then say enter item price. Item number. I think we should start item number here. With order number mean to say. Let's just not allow the user to enter this. Just say this is the item number. We can also make this item number to be public, universal, by simply putting it here. No. Okay. So now, if the user enters the item name, the item price, or also the quantity, of the item, how many items he or she buys. QTY as integer. Let's assume we don't sell half, we are selling complete things. So let's say it's an integer. Then a user should enter a quantity. Right. There is the quantity. So now we should calculate the amount due. We can do a function to calculate amount due right here. Public function amount due, or simply we can just say under this function that calculate discount, and eventually it will return the amount due. So as we deemed this price, let's say this variable let's put an if statement. If item price how can we do this? Discount if a person buys something that is above 50 rands, or if he buys something is above 5 quantity, more than 6 quantity. Okay, let's use quantity. If quantity let's use item price. If item price is more than firstly we should calculate the amount. Then we're going to say 10 this price equals to quantity multiplied by item price. Do you follow, guys? Are we together? Item price, quantity times item price. Then if this price is greater than 150 rands, then a disk listing another variable here. Say disk amount, then your disk amount equals to disk price minus, this is the discount, it's minus 2 rands or minus 20 rands. Then here you can return disk amount then else statement or else just pay this one. Sorry about that. This else means if the amount is less than 150, then we're gonna pay the full amount without discount. But if it's greater than 150, then we're gonna pay this one. You're gonna subtract 20 rands and then let's try to display it. LST show that item dot end and then we call the function So now we called our function. Let's test it. see what's the exact output. Here we're displaying, okay, Python compute name, let's say price is 20 rand each, and I bought 3. It means 60 rand, no discount. See, no discount, but 20 rand each. Okay, the name, price is 20 rand each. Quantity, we say it is 150. 20 times 10 is 200. So 10. Then the discount is 180. Discount amount is 180. Then you can make it to look nice. You can see discount amount. Discount amount. Then we can also display name of the item, item name, and also item price. And here we can see item name, item price, and these are on it. Then compute item name, I'm sorry about that, item name, banana, price of each, stock price R1.50. Okay, 150 each box. Then how many boxes do I need, or do I want? I want only one box. then the item name. Okay, you see there's no spaces, the text the strings are combined. Then here this item name, then you can see space, five, then let's give us the item name, and then this is item price, no need space here, we need space, item price, and space here. Complete item name, L G LGTV ke makula boss. This LGTV makula cost us, the cost amount is 180. So if a person buys a one item that costs 180, do you think he or she deserves a discount? A one item that costs 180. Okay, how many quantities? If you can say 5, it's okay. You see the item name is LG TV, then the item price, bring the space here, don't delete this go. That's the end of today's lesson. Just wanna thank you. You can also download others. I'll also upload them on my Facebook page. Thank you very much. Thanks.